When considering a gas boiler installation in 2025, it's essential to understand the costs involved. On average, you're looking at around £2,000 to £4,500, depending on the type and efficiency of the boiler. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Installation fees can add another £500 to £1,000 to your budget. Don't forget about the additional costs for any necessary upgrades, like new pipes or radiators, which can push your total closer to £6,000. It's also wise to factor in the potential savings on your energy bills with a high-efficiency model. And remember, always choose a gas-safe registered engineer for installation. It's not just about compliance, it's about your safety and peace of mind. So, do your research, get multiple quotes, and make an informed decision. Investing in a gas boiler can be a game changer for your home's comfort and energy efficiency.